there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add complications or widgets on your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. As a first step, keep in mind that not all of the watch faces supports widgets or complications. So that one that I have currently supports them because you can see them on this right edge. So let me show you how to change them. For example, we would need to hold our finger on our current watch face and then click on this white pen at the bottom of the screen. Then we would need to swipe left 2 times like this, and here you can see these little circles around every complication. Click on any of them that you would like to change, and here you can choose from all of the complications which one you would like to see on your watch face. So for example, I will pick here moon face and then click on this digital crown to save the changes. And that's it! Now you know how to add complications on your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Thank you so much for watching.